Namaste and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have cycle at my back. Today's video is all about how to make cycle carrier box. This video will be 2 episodes. I hope you will watch both of them. So without any delay, let's get started. Take measures of your cycle rear carrier. My cycle has lots of rough surfaces. That's why I am taking all the measures approximately. Now take a cardboard of this dimension and make this 2 cm thicker by attaching different layers. It is not necessary, but I trimmed 4 corners to give it extra look. The thickness of every individual parts is 2 cm. I hope the given dimension will be sufficient for you to understand. The dimension of A equal to dimension of B and the distance between them is 16 cm, so that it can perfectly fits on cycle carrier. I think the easy way to close and open the box is better with cap system. So make cap system on top of the box with given dimension. Hello everyone, welcome to reality. This is the reality according to design that you have just watched some second ago. Here I have used lots of small pieces of cardboard. That's why the surfaces are not looking so smooth. But no worry, let's decorate it and let's enjoy the video till the end. Attach a small piece of wood so that the edge of box does not get damaged by cycle carrier. Here are some pieces of switch box which has a very smooth surface. So I am going to attach it to the box so that the box surface will become more smoother than before. Thank you so much everyone for watching episode 1 of this project. In episode 2, I am going to add some features to this box so that it can be used as a dry picnic box too. Till then, keep supporting my channel. If you have not shared this video with your friends and family, please do it for me. Till then, stay safe and stay creative. We will meet in episode 2. Namaste.